Go home.
Hi, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products, they are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and click the notification bell for more videos. So let's see the products and hacks we've got in this video. This is a cleaner you can use for your bed. It's really helpful.
陈毛经理，打印课外作业。好的，正在为您打印。
This is a printer. This is an electric tub you can use for your feet.
天猫精灵，我要按摩。来吧，我给你放松放松。
This is another apartment. We'll see the tools we've got in this beautiful apartment. This is a shelf you can use for organizing your sandals. This is a machine you can use for heating water. This is a box you can use for tissues, and you can also use a mobile phone holder. This is an electric phone. This is a fold-in washing machine. This is a massage gun you can use for your neck. This is a dispenser you can use for liquid soap. This is a box where you can put wipes and other small items. This is a dispenser you can use for storing cereals.
指纹识别成功。
天猫精灵，
我在，你说。
打印语文作业。
好的，正在为您打印。
This is another printer. You can use a tone. It's really helpful. This is a juicer, and this is a blender. This is a box you can use for plastic cups. This is a folding mop you can use for mopping the floor. This is a rack you can use for your sandals in the bathroom. This is a cleaner you can use for cleaning your bed. It's really helpful. This is another cleaner you can use for carpets. This is a cleaner you can use for brushing off your clothes. this is another clip. We'll see the tools we've got in this print. This is another folding washing machine. This is a grinder you can use for grinding meat.